Hey everyone! Welcome back to Car Lover, your home for the latest luxury car reviews. Today, we're talking about the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, an SUV that defines power, prestige, and pure class. The G-Wagon's iconic boxy design, bold AMG grille, and signature LED headlights make it instantly recognizable and impossible to ignore. Under the hood, it packs a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 engine, pushing out an incredible 577 horsepower in the AMG G63, delivering lightning-fast acceleration and extreme off-road capability. But don't be fooled by its rugged look. Step inside, and you're surrounded by luxury at its finest. Hand-stitched leather seats, a widescreen digital cockpit, customizable ambient lighting, and a Burmester surround sound system create a first-class experience every time you drive. Plus, with advanced safety features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera, the G-Wagon makes every ride safe, smooth, and effortless. Whether you're conquering the mountains, cruising the highways, or just showing off in the city, the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon delivers the perfect balance of luxury, power, and status. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest car updates.